We are at Justin Taylor compound. Sick.
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up now. Vodka lemonade, I serve it up, it goes down. 75 degrees in a dope sound. All you need to live fine, to live fine. A little sunshine, cause she need it. A dose of rainfall in the evening. The waves crash down and we feel them. Say here's through the nights we steal them. And I'll be running cause I figured out
Zach.
I slow down unless I get out. And if we fall, let's be strong now. Moving along, we don't mind, we don't mind.
Here we have Zach Roundtree here. It's gonna be a fucking turd floater out here from the rain, but he's gonna send it anyway. Oh, here he goes, another 69.
Your helmet.
What helmet?
You're 60?
Oh shit.
I've been living fast. Feeling really bad. Time really moves fast. Better hurry up and get in your bag. I'm with you are not a fan. I know these niggas getting mad. My hand on my trigger, I'ma die for respect, yeah. Fuckin' with my money, you get dog like that, yeah. I took too many pills, counting up the bill. Molly in my cup, I can tell you how I feel. Last call, it's gnarly. Every day I be counting up the blues. Gotta win sometimes when you always lose. I get high as a bitch, still the same dude I was back then, and now I'm lost and confused.
This that type shit that's gonna make them go crazy.
Alright, Tyler Trent Park today, boys. A KRMTS vlog. We have all of the crew. Well, no S.
No ass, bro.
From the gymnast, which is better?
I'd say I jump. It's better.
So you've been to both?
Yeah.
Why is I jump better?
Because it's got more tramp.
Dodgeball?
Yeah.
And it's got the obstacle course.
Okay, so now we're going to iJump. Sick day in Tyler. CBD.
Just a personal disclaimer, KRMTS does not promote any CBD or THC related product.
I know, right? I want to just live in these shops.
That you found love. It's hard to stay in it, but he's better than anyone I've seen you with before. So talk to me, tell me about all your insecurities, and I'm trying to make you see what I see. You're happier than I've ever seen you.
I got picked first though, which is unlike middle school gym class.
You better not.